How to remove or delete WhatsApp status. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to the application WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in the home page, at the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see tons of different options. You need to click on updates. Once you're in the updates, you will be able to see the status that you have uploaded on WhatsApp. Now simply click on the status. Now in order for you to delete or remove the status, all you gotta do is click on this three dot icon. Tons of different options will appear in the screen. You can also see the option of delete. Tap on delete. And then once again click on delete one status update. And there you go, the status that you have uploaded on WhatsApp has already been deleted. Likewise, you can remove or delete any of the status that you have uploaded before 24 hours. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.